Hello and welcome everybody back to the Geek Tech Show. In today's video we got something right in the mail right here, and this is, oh yes, the fuel cell reconfigured. the Oakley fuel cell, fuel cell, the Oakley, that's what it is, and here it is in the mail. So the great thing about Oakley itself, you get this cheap looking case. Well, this is not what you're really paying for, but this case is okay. It's just garbage. But here's the cool thing I got here. Right in the mail, it says custom right on it. Custom, yeah. Not normal glasses. We get the Oakley custom right here. And the great thing about the custom itself, all about any Oakley glasses, that this small bag, this is just not a normal bag. You can use this to clean the lenses from everything in here. So this is the fuel cell. No, that's not the fuel. Yeah, it actually is the Oakley fuel cell. That is the name of these glasses. Now it does come with a few interesting perks and things that I did when I customized this whole thing. So first of all, I put a gold right here, right there. Next, I made this amber. This is, the whole thing is amber-like. And lastly, right there we have the glasses themselves, which is golden kind of version to them. Now there's different kind of versions, but this specific one, you can see here, you can't see your eyes, which is the cool thing about them. And it does say imprint right there, fuel cell. So in case you want to look at it specifically closer, the fuel cell right here. So let's get started with the actually Oakley review, the Oakley fuel cell, and it comes in a case that looks exactly like this. So you know you're getting the real deal if the case looks exactly like it. This is the original, authentic, the real deal Oakley. Inside of it you're getting another case, a case in a case. Let's open this up so you can see the unboxing of the Oakley itself. And when you open this up, you get inside of it the actually Oakley booklet right here that has all this information. So you know you're getting the real deal if this is inside as well. Next, you're getting something that looks like this. This is, and it says custom on here. Of course, with some other glasses you can pick a different one for you. Once you do open this up, you get the actual glasses over here. So what do we have here? We have the actual thing here, and we have a few things here for you to look at. Included the following: the Oakley fuel cell, the Tortoise flame, the fire Iridium lenses, and the gold authentic icon right here. And there's going to be a link right down below where you can get your own glasses, the ones I'm featuring right here, right in my eBay shop. So this is exactly how it actually looks like. So you can see it face to face, right there, the real deal, and in its all glory, because you can't really see all those beautiful details in the actual website itself. It just doesn't show you it in 3D, and you can see it right now, right here, in 3-dimensional. It is just a beautiful piece of marksmanship work, and it is exceptionally lovely as well. This is great for people who have kind of big face, and I don't. I have a small face, and you can see right now when I put them on, hoorah, yeah. So it actually does look kind of cool. It's like a fuel cell glasses, and I made sure the whole entire theme of those glasses, when I put them on, it is like a fuel, like oil based. So we have the gold, we have this thing right here, and it looks kind of cool. So yeah, you can see it right now. Oh, I love these glasses. Now, what is great about the Oakley glasses? Well, there's a few things why I love buying Oakleys. One of which is lack of distortion. If you're buying super cheap glasses, you don't get those. You get distortion, dizziness. It makes you not feel good when you put glasses on. And I don't know if you actually felt this before, but glasses can actually do that. Sunglasses, cheap kind specifically. Another thing is I never buy glasses with the lens themselves being polarized or some other of those fancy variations, because they also make your eyes, for some people, a huge percent of the population actually, makes them dizzy as you put them on. So those glasses don't have that. Now, in case you're looking at this and you really like those custom glasses, there's going to be a link right down below where you can purchase it as even cheaper than you can buy them from Oakley, because I'm selling this pair right here for my people who are watching this, because I buy stuff online all the time. So it's hard for me to go ahead and buy things and not sell them. I have to sell them. I have to get rid of the things I review in my online videos. So that's the way I go and make the money. One, I make the money by creating videos, and two, I make the money by actually I have to sell the things that I buy. So those are the glasses that I'm going to be selling. Now, another reason why I like the Oakleys is that this is actually bulletproof. I don't know if you knew about this, but they actually test some of those glasses out, and they see that they actually are almost bulletproof. That is, it's like to a point. You can't really say bulletproof if it hits them, but they did test them. I think they did test them out, that some of them are and could actually absorb that. So people who go in the military, a lot of times they put the Oakley glasses on just in case something will hit them, some kind of a sharpener will actually hit them, and it's better to crack the lens of the Oakleys than something happens to your eye, which is irreplaceable. Another reason why I like to put glasses on when I do things, because it protects your eyes as well, and plus it looks stylish. Now you're also protecting yourself from the sun too. So the great thing about the glasses themselves is that you protect from the sun, and it looks stylish as well. And not only that, the great thing about Oakleys themselves is the resale value too. If you're buying cheap glasses, you cannot resell them. Some Oakleys, and specific ones, especially if they're special edition, you can actually sell them for more money than you paid for them. Now those do look cool, they look nice, and they're great for the sun. You don't want to actually something happen to your eyes specifically. And if you're driving, it's essential for you to have some kind of sun protection on, because, and the reason why, in the snow, you actually do need sunglasses in the snow, sometimes even more than the winter, because they help you with seeing surfaces and seeing things you can't actually see. You can get snow blinded as well. But the sun itself is more dangerous because UV rays, and this protects you from UV rays and radiation and from glare, and it makes it easier for you to drive in a vehicle. This is essential if you are a driver, some kind of eye protection. And I like to keep my Oakleys, and I have a bunch of different pairs on me at all times, specifically when I'm filming online videos, but specifically when I'm really driving. So let me know in the comments section below what you think of those Oakleys. Are they actually cool looking? And should I actually be selling them, or should I be wearing them for some of my online videos or creating online content? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy this special episode of the Geek Tech Show. And if you did, make sure you become a member, become part of this team, and subscribe and watch and never miss a single episode. Right down below looks just like this. Make sure you hit it up right now, because every single video that's coming in, if you hit the bell sign, you will always get notified every single time I'm on and I'm showing you something new. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next episode of the Geek Tech Show.